Hi, this short video to explain how to use Coin app for the mutual fund investment by Zerodha. Uh, you can see this icon called Coin. You can download this from the Play Store. Yeah, I will use login credential by fingerprint. You can see the four tabs: Home, Investment, Discover, and Profile. Home is the main page. You can see basic info about your profile and how much balance available. Investments is the what you invested, portfolio, SIP, and how many orders you have. It's 7 days or 30 days or something like that. Discover the different types of mutual funds. uh, Profile is the one you can see some more details, and you can manage your funds, you can withdraw, or you can invest by using your bank account. Now we'll come to the discover part. If you know the basics of the mutual funds, we have three main categories: equity, debts, and hybrid. Equities are the direct investment in direct stocks. Debts is like corporate bonds or government bonds. Hybrid is a mixture of equity and debt funds. Uh, Now, one more is the index fund, where they will use the indexes, for example, Bank Nifty or Nifty, they will use it. Now, coming to the equity, you can see still some more varieties there: mid cap, large cap, small cap, or ELSS. So, ELSS is the one I would recommend for the salaries people. I don't recommend any fund, it's up to them. You can check how is the performance and you can think on that. If you open one fund, for example, this is how it looks like. This is from last trading session. There's a reduction of 0.75%, and current value is 83.97. And how is the return? 1 year, 3 year, 5 years, something like that. 19%. Yeah, it's not bad. And exit load, minimum investment expense ratio. Minimum investment, how much you can do minimum. Exit load is the load you have to pay if you are withdrawing fund before predefined time period. But in this ELS one, it's not applicable because you have a locking period is minimum 3 years. Expense ratio is nothing but a charges. For example, you are investing 100 rupees, they will charge 74 paisa. So lesser the expense ratio, more the profit for you. This about TLSs. You will get tax benefit under 80C category. Another one in this, okay, large cap, mid cap, and small cap. Large cap is top 100 companies that invest. Mid cap is top 250 Indian companies, and small cap is more than 250 companies, top companies they will invest. So large cap is having again low risk and low returns. Same small cap is high risk, high returns. There are some more hybrid. You can see this is how it is, and how to invest. For example, any of the fund I will take. Any, there are two varieties: buy and SIP. Buy is the lump sum amount, one time investment. SIP is the one you can do weekly, 15 days, monthly, or quarterly. Here also you can do initial investment and installments amount. In some cases you don't need to do initial investment, then you will not be able to get different uh, types of options. For example, auto step up is not possible here in this case if we are not taking the initial investment, and yeah, this is possible. I will show one more fund where you can see, yes, if you don't want to know initial investment, you cannot change the frequency, only monthly. If you able to do initial investment, then you can do monthly, weekly, everything is possible. Step up is how much percent extra you can add every installments. Yeah, this is about the how to use this app, and yeah, thanks for watching. Thank you.